This is the biggest thing that I always tell people that use Tumbleweed. Disable Discover from doing the operating system updates. We do not want to do any updates from Discover. So what I have here is a computer that's newly installed. It's a Xeon desktop. On purpose, I did not disable updates in Discover. So what you see here is just 300 updates, I believe it is. 353 to be exact. And I'd hit update all. And Discover is not doing anything. I want to say it's because it's trying to do NVIDIA updates and the approval process is broken. You can't skip it. So I've actually been here about 3 or 4 minutes going through confirming changes multiple times, and it just cycles through. Literally just starts over again, over again. Yeah, that is the biggest issue with Discover. You can't get out of this loop. The only way to resolve this is to actually do the sudo zypper dup via command line. Now, is this a Discover issue or a KDE issue, or is this a openSUSE Tumbleweed issue? And this is the same on Slowroll as is Tumbleweed. It's the same base, it's just Slowroll is just a little bit slower, about 3-4 weeks slower or so. So the only way to get out of this endless loop is to drop to CLI. Once you're on CLI, you just do your sudo zypper dup. You get your list of updates, and yes, this is just this week. Maybe it's 2 weeks worth of updates. This system isn't more than 10 days old, so if you do Tumbleweed, you always have a lot of updates. Not always, but you know, it seems like there is a lot of updates just because this is a rolling release, so it's constantly up to date. It's not like those long-term service distributions where they last multiple years, less updates, less secure. Tumbleweed is up to date. Now, does this cause a lot of outages, breakages from the updates? No. I probably only have issues with updates once or twice a year, and that allows me to, if there's any issues, I can just roll it back with Snapper. Super simple to roll back with Snapper and get back to a normal operating system, then wait a couple weeks for those broken packages to get fixed. Like I said, that's very rare to have my system broken. So this is a pretty rock solid system. openSUSE Tumbleweed, openSUSE Slowroll. Like them. I hate those long-term. I don't hate, but I dislike those long-term serviceable Linux distributions. It's just, to me, it seems like the packages are always out of date. I want something that's newer, updates a little bit more functionality, newer software. There we go. I'm gonna reboot real quick. So after my reboot, I'm back and I just look at Discover. Discover shows only 2 updates. These updates are for Discover packages or Flatpak, not the operating system. So I'm gonna post the commands to remove Discover from seeing the OS updates, and that's what I suggest people to do. Now, you can go Discover updates, and it might do it, your updates on the operating system just fine, but I find that you have more issues than not if you do updates through Discover. So drop to the command line and do your operating system updates. You have a good day. Bye.